This day is very important for Uganda because it signifies the day when NRA, led by President Yoweri Museveni, entered the bush and shot the first bullet in Kawamba. Tarehe Sita means
thank you very
the
much.
6th of February. That's when,
indeed, it is one voice.
After President Yoweri Museveni and his team disagreed with what was going on in the country,
once again, you are welcome to Kacheka Stadium
to wage a liberation
Today,
war,
we are marking
which took
the
5 years
42nd anniversary
and ushered in the NRM regime,
of the People's Army,
which, in my view, has caused a fundamental change. The president promised when he was being sworn in,
and have been short waving.
And therefore, there is reason for us to celebrate. And going back into the history of this country, that we spent about 70 years under the leadership of the colonialists. And in 1962, when we got independence, we took 24 years before NRM came in. But in the 24 years, Uganda suffered and collapsed. By the time President Yoweri Museveni assumed power, Uganda was a failed state. So in 24 years, we changed leaders. There was no peace, there was no development. For instance, we had over 10 presidents in the period of 24 years. But we had elections only twice.
I want to tell you that you are most
April
welcome,
1962,
and we are continuing to have
December
rounds of entertainment as we wait for other
and yet we had
guests.
presidents numbering over 10, meaning that there was no democracy. People had no choice. People had no rights of choosing.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me now invite
there was reason
the second division spouses
President
to come
and
give us
to
an
go to
item.
Bush
Please
to wage a
take on.
liberation war, which ushered in NRM. And indeed, when you compare how Uganda moved before independence and after independence and now under NRM, there has been a tremendous change, there has been a tremendous transformation under NRM. And therefore, it is worth celebrating this day because it ushered in a new change in Uganda. When NRM came, it announced a 10-point program, which was expanded to 15 points. But now, we summarize those points into 4. The 4 ideological pillars on which NRM stands. Number 1 is patriotism. We believe that Ugandans should love their country, should love themselves, should condemn sectarianism. We should have unity despite our different ethnic backgrounds, despite our religious beliefs and other things which separate us, but we should all agree we are Ugandans and we move as Uganda. So patriotism is one of the key pillars of NRM. Now the second one, which answers your question, is Pan-Africanism. We believe that Uganda should not be an island and live on its own. We recognize that other black Africans are our sisters and brothers. That is why when there is trouble in Somalia, when there is trouble in Congo, when there is trouble in South Sudan, we send our troops because we have a cardinal responsibility to be our brothers' keepers because we believe in Pan-Africanism. For instance, now we are promoting trade and business. We are now producing lots of products here in Uganda. We need markets because you can't consume whatever you produce here. That's why, for instance, we are building roads in Congo. That is the Pan-African spirit of ensuring that we create markets and open markets in Congo because we believe the Congolese, the Sudanese, the Somalis are our brothers and sisters. The other pillar which we believe in is democracy. We believe that Ugandans should always have a right to choose the leaders they want. That's why every 5 years we hold periodic elections every 5 years to enable Ugandans choose the leaders that they want, from the level of president down to to the level of LC1, even the Bataka groups, these community groups, people sit and choose whoever they want. Whether they want a drunkard and they choose a drunkard, that is their right. Whether they choose a person with disability, that is their right, because they have their freedom and right under the Constitution to choose. Then lastly, we also believe and stand on the pillar of socio-economic transformation, transforming Uganda, improving the quality of life of Ugandans. And that explains why we have invested resources in services so that we can make a transformational change in this country.
Prime Minister Robin Anabanja.